Ultimate
Yeah.
word
Yeah,
mommy.
the ultimate mommy, like
Yeah.
she
Yes,
got
sir.
ultimatum for everything. Like, damn.
Well, I mean,
Cause
food
I'm,
for every kid.
cause I make a
Yeah, like,
promise. I don't want to break my promise. It's a Sadako, I think.
oh, yeah, it's like, no, we are not like, I'm like, if I'm not gonna play, I'm just gonna ask you, and if you're fine with that, it's okay, right?
Yeah. It depends if I'm already eerie.
Yeah, but I guess the way you're playing, you can like do it, right?
Yeah.
Like, I'm not even kidding, right?
What is this killer, bro?
Sadako,
Not
uh, the,
Sadako.
cool.
the naughty girl, Japanese one, Andre. Oh my gosh, look at this speed, man. Look at this speed, buddy. We just pop a gen in like first 30
So
seconds. Like,
crazy.
oh,
Yep.
yep, and the
I
killer is
can I
like,
can get a flashbang for someone. I have a flashlight.
Chasing me,
My
chasing me,
flashlight.
chasing me, chasing
yeah,
me.
me too. I have a flashlight. Give it to
Oh
the
shoot.
Bro,
yes.
I think, bro, like people who play Rainbow Six Siege are actually, like not kids, bro. They're like men, you know, come in the
Yeah,
category of men's.
yeah,
So like these type of games are nothing for them, bro.
yeah. To be honest, this game is like, bro,
Actually, true, no?
bro. When
A
I
little
see,
bit maybe.
when I see cheater in this game, bro, I feel very sad for them,
But
bro.
but if you play like Hunt Showdown or like CS:GO, you'd be a child. But that's another story.
Going to kill a shock, kill a shock,
I
kill a
don't
shock,
really
kill a
like
shock. I'm
CS
going
though.
down.
It's like recoil style. I hate it.
Yeah, to be honest, and that game is like you're dead, you can't do anything. In Siege, you are like so versatile. Even if
Yeah,
you're
in
dead,
Siege
you can like,
you're shooting right on pinpoint, right? It's not like
yeah.
Oh,
annoying every
basement.
time.
Oh,
It's not hip
Kind
fire
of
every fucking time, you know.
And the
kind of
wall
very
bangs,
perfect game, no?
is like shoot my ass, so, like shoot their ass.
I love
People
modeling.
say people say that it is a very good example of a perfectly made game.
Yeah,
Really?
Yeah.
Siege is
Nice
Is
to
very
it?
hear.
good. Yeah,
I think it's yeah, I really love the game, but I know a lot of people that complain about it too. Oh, he's chasing me. No, my save. Haha.
yeah. No worry, but I flashed her. Distracted
Nice,
her.
perfect.
Oh, she's gone back. She's gone back. Naughty Nia going back.
Lamau.
Not the
La
thank
da
you
da.
guys.
I flashed her. Boom. Pick up. Oh, she blocked the window. What the fuck?
Who's on the chase?
She is chasing me because I fucking. No, she's going
No,
back for you, Sam. She's going
no,
back
not
for
me,
you, I
not me,
guess.
not me.
Not you.
He's with
Yeah.
Malone
Not
now.
me either.
On you. On you.
Malone,
Is she
Malone.
chasing me?
Super
Blessing
Oh
YouTuber.
no
killer
no
shock,
no no!
blessing killer shock.
Blessing Killer Shack. Okay.
Two
The
big
links.
two.
Oh, where is the other one? Can you tell me? I can also
No, no,
bless
no,
it.
no. I mean, two perks, two perks.
Okay.
Healing and expo.
Next one is.
No, I'm dead.
Yeah, me too. Me too. I run the same build.
Oh, I fucked up, bro. I fucked up.
What is your other two perks, Sam? Goliath?
Bond and life.
Okay. Only one perk difference. I use tenacity.
He's chasing me. You can save.
Yeah,
Bad.
wait. I'll go for the save.
Oh, I'm right there.
No, I'm near.
I'm more close. Naughty. Let's see.
Oh, I don't see any pellets here. It's kind of annoying.
Go, go,
Do
go,
you wanna
go.
heal?
Where do I go?
Naughty speed.
Where
We
do I
can finish.
go?
We can finish this gen. I think.
Can you heal me?
Getting healed by
Oh, shit.
Balerion.
Balerion.
Yeah.
You guys can't do it, man. That's my whole point. You can help me do it. Yeah. You guys can't do it. Come on.
Balerion.
Meraxes.
Meraxes.
Bro, why don't you say it second, bro? What the fuck? Why don't you call it like second, bro? Oh, she's no.
Oh, he didn't
Sam,
even
come
see me.
Sam, what the hell? Sam
Wait,
is
I'm
trolling.
Mortuko.
Sam's
Oh no.
trolling.
Hold on.
Okay. I'm eating.
Wow, nice
Balerion.
360, bro.
Balerion Meraxes.
Oh, she's Sam's trolling, bro. Bro, what the
So
hell?
funny to like actually say that, bro.
Bro, Sam trolling. Bro, watermelon, she's coming.
Let me heal you.
Bro.
Okay.
Can you take one more hit, bro?
Will that help?
No, hook is right
You
there.
want
No, no,
help?
no, no.
Say your name first. Balerion.
Bro, what the... Hey yo, roller coaster, up and down, up and down. Hey Sam, have you ever tried utong?
What? You want me to
Yeah,
try your utong?
No, no, not that utong. The utong, the vegetable. You don't know that?
No.
Come on. How can you don't know that? Wait. I'll send you the picture of utong, like a big fat utong, you know?
Can finish this.
Wait.
Who has the proof thyself? Do
Sam,
this.
look at this.
Me.
Go,
Oh.
go. Where is it?
I send you the utong.
Where did you send it?
Yeah.
Oh no.
That's,
It's
that's
my
the
bad, my bad.
Oh, the kang. Ano yan?
Yeah, blast mine.
yeah. One of my friends, she told me that's utong. You
No,
want to
it's
grab-
not.
No, that's utong, right? That's a juicy utong, you know, right?
Is
Have
that
you
a
ever tried
kangkong?
I don't know. She tells me that's utong.
Oh, wait.
Have you ever
Oh my
tried?
god.
Flashbang?
Imagine.
Yeah, flash boom,
Popping.
popping that cherry. Come here. Oh,
No,
it's
you
the
know,
last
Nice,
gen.
the
Umbrella
killing is
Man.
baby.
It was the last gen. What the hell? Oh, I was like, no. I was thinking the game is gonna be more big.
Prepping.
What the?
Oh, I need to open the gate.
Oh,
I need to open
no.
the gate for my quest later.
Oh, you open it.
Thank you.
Wait. Ah,
Tickets.
sitaw. Yeah. Bakit nga pala?
Very good.
Wiggle off, naughty bro. Jeez.
Wiggle. You go.
Yeah, he's running.
Wiggle. To make that ass clap and jiggle.
Go. I'm just behind you.
Hey ladies, drop it down, bro. Naughty now, bro.
Naughty ka.
Hey, Monica. Damn.
What?
Good job,
Didn't-
guys.
Didn't follow PewDiePie, bro. Damn.
Oh, that's the sitaw, yeah.
Utong, bro. Okay. Damn. There you go. Oh my God.
Easy one. Very easy.
Yeah, very easy. I don't even do a single gen. Just kidding.
I can just tell from because Mortuko is not speaking anything. I think he's bored. Easy.
Oh, no.
Too easy. Too
Yeah,
easy. He's
like,
bored already. Too easy.
Yeah, the Repo 60s
I'm
play like that,
happy
bro. Like, it's
to
a very
buy.
easy game. Easy my clap, bro. Damn.
I don't like being toxic, you know?
Beans, yeah.
Oh, bro, that all players say that and they just nade you
Eh.
from, vertically. They said, I'm not toxic, and they just nade you vertically.
That's not toxic.